everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how I make my resin river table. You are going to like it and we're going to do it step by step. I will show you my mistakes so you don't do it when you try to do your project, and that will be very helpful. So let's go and do it. Okay, I'm on my kitchen and we're going to need a plastic bag, a large plastic bag, okay, small table that I'm going to use, and I'm going to put my trash bag on, and we are going to need a piece of wood. This one belongs to a shelf that I had made some time ago, something like this for my books. The size of this piece of wood is about 4 feet tall. I mean, it's 4 feet long and it's like 7.25 from here to here, and this is only 3/4 of an inch. I cut it on half. Like you see, you're gonna cut it on half. You will have 2 pieces and you will put them parallel to each other and leave a little space in between. When I made the cut on half, it wasn't exactly half, but kind of, and it came out a little crooked because I wasn't using the right saw. So I tried to make the inside of the wood a little uneven too, so it looked like a rustic look. You will see in the final product. Once I put my 2 pieces of wood on top of the plastic bag, they will be parallel, and I'm going to fold the leftovers of the plastic bag and tape it, and that will avoid any leak. I use this, put it like this, crystal clear sealant, and I put it all around the edges on the inside. Not too much, just enough to seal, okay? You go all around. Then I put a little piece of wood at the edges where the separation of the 2 pieces are to make like a little wall. The problem was that this piece of wood, after I put the sealant, I forgot to put a plastic or something that covered the inside, and I will show you later at the end what happened for that little mistake. So you have to put a cover in the inside of this piece of wood, some kind of plastic. The separation between the 2 pieces of wood is less than 3 inches, and it's not exact, but it's around that measurement. I proceed putting some rocks and some shelf to my river and giving a little bit of character, but then I had the wrong idea of adding sand. If you're going to add sand or something, you have to put that before the rocks and the shelf. Anyway, I will recommend you not to use the sand, or at least not the color of sand that I use on my project. It didn't look really that good, and it would be much better if I avoid that part. But anyway, that's what I did. I decided to put sand, and I cannot go back. So let me show you. This is what I did. Wrong idea. I don't know why I decided to do this, but anyway, this is the product that I use, and it doesn't come too much into it. So your whatever you do, your project have to be small projects, and it's crystal clear, self-leveling, resist yellowing, not flammable. So this is what I use. You are going to mix the same amount of resin with the hardener, same amount of hardener. My problem was that I made too much of it. These are the stickers that comes with the kit, and you start from left to right. What you are going to do, you are going to remove one of the stickers, the first one on the left. You're going to put it on your project, and you're going to add a small layer of the mixture of resin and hardener. This is very important. You're supposed to wait until the mixture feels sticky and smooshy.
Don't put the next sticker until you feel that it's sticky and smoochy. That was my mistake. I didn't wait long enough. You wait until it's sticky and smoochy, you put the next sticker, put more of the mixture, wait again, and then get sticky and smoochy, put the next sticker, and it goes on layers, so 4 layers. But I didn't do it that way. So what happened when you do that and you put the mixture too fast and you don't wait long enough, the stickers will slide out of place and the 3D effect won't be there. I'll wait until the next day to check how it looks. Okay, today is the next day and we're going to check. It got hard as a rock. So let me see. Let's remove the tape, remove the plastic bags, and see what happened. I'm very disappointed that I put that sand and I shouldn't done that. But well, it's done. So let's see. Okay, everything seems to be working. I'm able to remove the plastic bag. I thought it may be so stick into it, but no, look. I can remove it easily. Very good, very good. Everything fine. Very good. I feel relieved now. I was able to remove that. I have my doubts. Okay. Here's the problem. When I try to remove the little piece of wood that I put in the side, so attached to the project, so I could remove it. So I had to go to a drastic way. This is the only way I was able to remove this piece of wood. I had to saw it out. Sorry. So this is the result. It's not as bad as I thought. It's supposed to be kind of rustic, modern, and industrial look. So now let's find where I'm going to put this little table. Let's find a base. So let me show you what I did for the base. I'm sure you're going to like it. So are you ready? And what do you think about this result? Let's go for it. So this is what I'm going to use to put my little table. This is going to be my base. And I will tell you how I did it. I use PVC pipes. You need a 1-inch pipe that is 10 feet long. Then you're going to cut 2 pieces that are 2 feet long, and 6 pieces you're going to cut them around 10 inches long. It depends the size of the table that you want, so you can do it the size that you prefer. And it's 1 inch. Everything is for a 1 inch, so there is no confusion. For the bottom, you're going to need 4 of these unions. And these are the covers. You need 2 of these. There are different types. This is the one that I choose. And you're going to need 2 of these ones. It's 4 corners and it has 3 holes. So here you have it. You can see it better here. Pay attention. 2 of this one and 4 of this. And these 2 covers. And that's it. So here is. So now we're going to attach it to our project. Okay, first we're going to drill the holes all the way down to the wood. Then we put the screw. And we're going to put it in 4 different areas. The longest doesn't touch where the river is, just where the wood is. Make sure that you get the right size of screw. That's very important. And do it slow. This is what I use to paint my project. It will give it an industrial look. It's some kind of dark brown with texture. This is how the color looks. And this is the final result. What do you think about this? The best part about this project is that even I didn't do it exactly the way I want it, my daughter thinks that this is a very, very cool project. So I'm happy with my project. She said it's very cool and very nice and useful. I hope you like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me your opinion.